Hi, I'm Jordan. I'm a Senior Solutions Advisor here at Celayix, and I want to show you how easy it is for you to eliminate unnecessary overtime from your security guard schedules. Having worked with countless security guard firms over the past 5 years at Celayix, I know that overtime costs can be the difference between surviving and thriving as a business. Before you know it, that overtime eats away at your bottom line, and your profits start to look very slim. With Celayix's custom business rules, you can ensure that only approved overtime is allowed, helping you to avoid unpleasant surprises. You can also find replacements quickly. Whenever you're alerted to someone going into overtime, our replacement suggestions take qualifications and other important factors into consideration, so you don't have to worry. We've helped security businesses just like yours save thousands in overtime and pick and choose contracts based on profitability with the improved visibility that we give them. If you want to learn more about how Celayix can save your business time, effort, and money, book a demo with me here using the link below.